Go High Level, an incredible all-in-one CRM, perfect for agency owners, consultants, and coaches just like you.
High Level has completely changed my life.
Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon. It's Ntlantla again. We are back. Load shedding bafethu eshiyo man endenzi phazamisayo. So since in the morning, yesterday we left this trade going. Ne? So all we were thinking about was like, okay, we know that the market now is going down because we have our neckline. Yesterday was broken yesterday, and then we knew that today we are going down. We're going bearish. So this is our bearish, guys. As you can see, we are on $343 in profit. So today we were focusing on selling kahle. So this is what is it, bafethu. It's going down. Hence I was telling you about the change of character of the market, where the market has to change the character now, has to take another journey. So the market changes here. Remember, I talked about we spoke about what we call it a change of character, where it was happening here yesterday. So yesterday it was broken just a little bit, but we knew that the market is gonna go down and then retest again. So it retested to this place here. Everyone who sold the market here is on a right profit today, right? So as you can see, guys, this is what is happening. We're still gonna leave those trades going because remember, we're still going to $50,000. We want to make $50,000 in 90 days. So obviously this is the target that we need to reach in the end of the 3 months. That 50,000, we're gonna reach it. So this is it, bafethu. Must trade in, guys. Please invite everyone who would like to learn more about forex, because obviously we're still learning here. We're not 100%. We are not gurus, but at least that little bit of profit we're doing in a day make a difference, bafethu. So sisonke, I'm still learning as well. So if you have any idea or a view that you would like to pursue, or you would like to tell us, or please just don't be afraid to comment. Our comment session are open to everyone. So please, guys, invite everyone. Please like and subscribe and share the live streaming so that everyone who is interested in forex could see that this side we are working and we are making profit. This account, I started this account with $30, bafethu. It was $30 when I started it, and then I managed to grow this account to where it is now. So let's trade, bafethu. Let's trade. Okay, let's just look at 1 hour chart before I focus back. So we know that the market was here, and then we know that today the market is going here. One thing I want you to understand about gold is making mostly is making 2 moves every day. It doesn't go down. If you look at our chart, you will see that the gold went up and went down every day. If you look here, the market go up and then it went down. It go up and then it went down. Njalo njalo. Oh, go yenza kanjalo. It went up and then it went down. So it makes those 2 moves every day. This is the trick about gold. You just need to have a timing and when to take a trade, when to dive into that sell, So we knew that the market is coming to this zone, and we yesterday we marked all the zone that the market is gonna come. So we know that the market is gonna also come to this zone here. Obviously it will come here and then it will play and play and play. Then tomorrow it might do the move. It might goes up a bit and then it went down, because we want it to come right down to our take profit here. If we go back to 4 hour chart, we knew even last week, we know even here we knew that the market is gonna come and reach here. If you look, if I can zoom in here, so we know this is the triangle, it playing on the triangle. So we knew that the market will come here and then it will play here, and then at the end it will aggressively go down, because this move is done now. This one, the upper one. So now we are focusing on the selling. So we know that the market is coming right here. So we were waiting. We're gonna wait for it as long as we are on profit. Then when it come here, that is when we're getting out to those trades, you know. So on 1 hour chart, it is confirmed the change of character where the market was changing. This is change of character. Change of character, you know, a change of character. We're looking at the double bottom, and then if the double bottom is completely, then we're looking at the break of a neckline. So the break of a neckline, it happens yesterday. So when that neckline happens, then we took our trades, you know. So we knew that the market is going down this way. So obviously it will come here and then it will play. And then at the end of the day, we are looking at a downtrend, guys. So let us not confuse ourselves about selling, about everything, because we know that the market is going down. So yeah, anyone who have an idea, come up, guys. Let us notice you that you know something about forex. Let us know that you have something that you want us to know. Remember, we don't have mentor here. We don't have mentor because our mentors want us to pay. We don't want to pay. We want to learn. You know, you can't expect us to pay money while you making enough money. You know, it's madness. You making enough money about forex. We're learning from you, and then now we have to pay you still. No, guys, this is this is that is greediness, if I can tell you. You know, so we don't want mentors. We are here student. We are not ashamed, you know. We are not ashamed that we are still learning. We are still learning. So if anyone who's interested in learning, come and learn with us. Or if you have something that you don't know about market, then please tell us. Be open to us, because we are still learning and that, you know. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. You know, so we wanna make that $50,000. You know, we wanna make that $50,000. We are not ashamed that we are still learning. We are still learning. We wanna learn more about forex. So anyone who have an idea or who have something that you would share with us, please share. Just comment on the comment section. We will be with you. So let's just hold on these trades, guys. Let's hold on these trades and see what is gonna happen. So we're gonna hold on them for a day and see what is happening later on, you know. So yeah, let's just focus on it, you know. Yeah. So everyone who was selling now, everyone who got it late, now they are trying to take them all out here, you know. Let us not have heart attack with that spike that is going up. It's just a stop hunt, taking all those who sold here. Obviously this is a break from here. So the market breaks here, and everyone who are trading breakouts, this is their stop hunt. They are trying to take them all out, and then at the end of the day they will aggressively go down again, you know. So let us not have that heart attack. So yeah, let's go to 1 hour chart and see what is happening. So you see 1 hour chart. You see 1 hour chart is already, they already reached this point here. They are already here. They are already here. They are breaking. So they're trying to go back to where it was, you know. So we still have other lines here that we knew that the market won't break. So now it's just testing, taking all those who are selling, and everyone who has inhliziyo encinci netabona ispike uyaphuma vele bafuna uphume. Hlala la ungabayeki bancukuthe labantu laba, yabo. So we are here, guys. We are here, guys. We can see now the spike is going up, but we are not be shaken. We won't be shaken. So I think here they are just testing the box that we did in the morning. Let me zoom this one in so that everyone could see. You see, in the morning we noticed in this box here, and then this box was broken, and everyone was waiting for the market to come back and test this box here. And then now it's coming aggressively to test this box here, and then we are still going to focus on going down again. You know, usually we do this on 4-hour charts, né? In 4-hour charts we usually see this. If we're having a box, let me just draw a little bit of something there to everyone to see. So this is the box I'm talking about, né? This box might be broken upwards or downwards. So we are looking at the bearish trend. Here the market was broken, so everyone was waiting for it to come back and test the box here, and then after that we're going straight down again. You know, even if you can look here, a change of character has happened on 4-hour charts, which is our main focus. A change of character. The market came up and then it came down again. It came up again and then it came down. It came up and then it came down again. You know, so when it came down this time around, it breaks our neckline. Then our neckline was broken there, and then we knew that the market, once it breaks our neckline, then we were focusing on a bearish trend. So everyone was waiting for it to come and retest to this box here. You understand? So after testing to this box, we're still gonna focus on our downtrend, because we knew we know that the market is coming right here, right? So we don't have to panic when we see the spikes and everything. As long as we know our prediction is fine, then we are okay. Let's just look at the previous previous setup. Let's just look at this one here. Only this one, ne? Yeah, let's just look here. I think this is the same thing that is happening, right? You see, the market came, ne? And then it didn't break this line here, right? And then it come down. It leaves another top there, meaning we have a double top here. We have a double top, which is this one, and also this one here. Let me just color them full. Let me fill them with something else, I think, because it's gonna confuse us. So we have double top there, ne? And it was also a contribution. A contribution, it's where the market came and then it leaves something we call a spring. A spring, it's where the most sellers focuses on. So sorry guys, let me just expand this one here. So you can see we have that double top there. So the market came and then it hit this point here, and then it came down as well, and then it came up again. It didn't break the box here, and then it came down. And then when it comes to this point here where we're saying it's our neckline, it breaks our neckline. This is our neckline, guys. This is our neckline. This is our neckline. This is our neckline. Now we know once our neckline have been broken, we know that the market is gonna go down, right? So the market breaks here, ne? Let me zoom out. The market breaks right about these two big candles here, and then it came back again. It tested the box and then it goes down. If we go to the lower time frame now, 1 hour chart, you will see the people made profit with this 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 candles, because it came back and tested the box where the change of character has happened, and then it went down. You understand? So everyone who sold here, they knew that everyone sold here, and then everyone put their stop loss right about this point on top of this candle, here. So they came up with these 2 big candles to take them out and then continue with the downtrend, you know. So we know that is going to happen also here on this one that we are at now. So it might come back, and then we went to negative setup, we stay negative, and then we go down, continue with the trend as well. So let's just focus on the downtrend. Enye nenye eyenzekayo suyinaka kakhulu because iza confuse, you know. So yeah, injalo bafethu, you see it came back here, and then even here it will do the same thing. It will come back, maybe it can struggle to break the box inside, to get inside the box there, but it will come and test the box and then come back down. As you can see now, they're leaving a tail there, you know, they're leaving a tail. Everyone who sold, they are taking them out. Let's go back to 1 minute charts. We can see it's continuing up, it's continuing going up. So each and everyone who want to buy, you can buy and take your stop loss, and take your profit right about that high there, you know, because everyone they break the box, they come back and test it, you know. So even this one on 1 minute, they are trading on the box here, and then they break it, they break this line, and then they come back and test it, and then they go up again, you know. So these are the things that you need to focus on, you understand. So in the morning we noticed this box here. Let me zoom out. We noticed the box here, which was the box. They were trading on the box, and then here they break that box, and then they went down, and then they come up aggressively, testing it again. So it might happen that now they are testing the box, and then after testing that box, they continuing with the trend that is going down. So let us not be shaken. And focuses on making this money, guys. So yeah, let us focus and see what the market is doing at the moment. Sharp, guys. Okay, guys, and another thing that I want you to notice, when we're using chart patterns, I'm going to tell you what I know. When you're using chart patterns, it's only about connecting the dots, right? Why do I say so? Because if you're doing chart patterns, you connect this dot, this low and this one. This high and this high, and then the other one that is gonna come. Let's say you connect this high and this high, right? You connect this high and this high. You know that the market at this diagonal line here, it's gonna turn straight, right? So let's scratch it down there. Now we can see we connected this point here, and then we connected another one. Then the market goes down, and then it comes back again to the diagonal line that we just noticed. You see, and from that diagonal line, it is possible that the market can turn down here. You know, it go down again. I understand. So chart patterns is all about connecting the dots. It's all about change of character. It's about price action. You know, so many people who are doing forex, you don't just know there's any strategy. The only strategy that you have to know is price action, which is price action. You need to know price action, then you know where the prices is doing, market structure and everything, you know. So in this way, we get to know how to notice where the trend is going. The moment you know how to connect those trend lines, then you know where the market is going. You understand? So they can confuse you and take out a big spike there, and then obviously everyone who's gonna be like, no man, they wanna take back the profit that I have, and then you get out on that trade. Once you get out on that trade, they continue with the trend that you were in. That means your prediction was right, and then they made you think that you are wrong, whereas you are not. As long as you know how to connect those dots, you connect the points, you connect the high, you know how to connect the trend lines and everything, you are good to go. You are good to go, and you don't need any mentor to tell you what. You don't need anyone who's okay, you need to pay me $200 for me to give you signals and everything. That shit is bullshit, my friends. I can tell you that. That shit is bullshit, and people are keep on ripping money from you, and then you don't even notice that there are places where you can learn forex for free. You know, you go to YouTube, and then you search. You get someone there trading live, and you know nothing about forex. Those little things that you learn a day, they make difference. No, let me talk about me. I've never paid anyone. For signals. No, never pay anyone for signals. Why do I have to pay for signal for someone who's making enough money from forex, and then now I have to give money again? No, we don't do that, my friend. So like as izinto zijonge man, uyibone le nto uba this is bullshit. You know, this is bullshit. So keep trading live, Buffett. So keep making profit. Learn forex on your own. Don't pay anyone for signals. That's bullshit.
We've helped millions of creators improve their SEO to grow their YouTube channels. TubeBuddy is a platform that helps you save time, get more views, and do more on YouTube.
Wow, that is exactly what I need.
Oh, want to put your thumbnail ideas to the test? A/B testing is the way to find out which one works best. And don't get us started on our bulk editing features that will save you even more time.
Do you want to earn $2,400 a week by making YouTube?
So as you can see, guys, hence I was saying earlier on, we on chart patterns, when you're using chart patterns strategy, you're only connecting the dots, right? So when you connect the dots, you look the highs. You know we have this high here, you know we have this high, which is the high that we have for the day. We have the lower high, which is they didn't reach the higher high there. Then once you connect these dots here, these higher highs, when you connect these higher highs, they give you a signal. So this signal says, once you connect this one, you scratch it down that trend line, and then you can see it came back when it didn't break that trend line. It went down again. You understand? So what are they doing now? They creating some sort of a triangle or something. So they're just gonna play on a triangle, and at the end of the day, they break that triangle. So let me show you the triangle that I'm talking about. This triangle is something like this. We're just gonna make a little bit of a example. I don't know if everyone is gonna see it, but I'm just gonna try my best. So this is our high, right? This is our low, right? So what happened here? I think they trying to make some sort of a triangle, that they're gonna play at. Let me remove the box. So I think they're trying to play inside this triangle here. I don't know if everyone can see it, but I think it is what they do. Or we can just do it like this. This side is not working. This side is not working. It was fine here. So I guess they trying to play inside the triangle, because they bounce here and then they come back and bounce here again. They bounce here again. They're gonna come and bounce here again, and then they break it down, right? And then we might expect something that is gonna be like, I'm not saying this is the show, this is showcase, but we must expect something like this, something like this. It's gonna come to this point again, and then we might experience another something like this, and then maybe from here it might break down here and then come straight down as our prediction. All right. So I don't know if anyone can understand what I'm saying, you know. So they can just play here on this triangle, and then when they get to this point, they break the triangle down, you know. So this is how they play. This is the game they play. They trying to get into your emotion. Work hard and find it, where it's going, you know, whatever. And then when you get it wrong, they know you're gonna fund your account again, you know. So we have to play with them. Let's just play with them as well, because this is what they do, guys. Yeah. So another thing, ne, we can see that a 30 minutes candle, ne, is about to close, and we have about 3 minutes for it to close, ne? And we can see that the market is going to leave this tail here, and then it's going to start by going up there. So if you have your stop loss maybe around this place here, or you can see that, okay, on the trades that you've made for a day, you can just take your profit that you see there, and then try and close up the trades that you have, so that you won't go on a negative side, because the market can come and can break here and come and play here for today, because hence I'm saying the market is going to go down, up and down, so it might come and break here and play to this side here. So if ever you have a profit that you would like to take out, you can take your profit and then see what else is happening, as long as you're still on profit. Because now I'm thinking of taking one of my trades out here, so that at least I have a balance for a day, you know. And I would like to advise traders, if you're already on profit, please try to break even, so that if anything happens, you're still on profit, right? Anything happens to the market, you're still on profit. So for now, we are on profit. So I think I would advise traders to break even, so that at least the market, even if the market is spiking up, it won't take you out. So I would advise you to break even for now, and don't go out on a trade. Don't do anything but just stay on a break even side, so that you stay safe. Whatever happens, whatever, if the market is changing directions through our prediction, you're still safe. So when you break even, you're still on profit. The market is still gonna give you your money, you know. So be smart about this. here. Okay, I'm back. You know what I'm seeing right now, ne? I'm seeing a sell, ne? When I look at this, let me pull back here, because this will mess up with my trade. So here, ne, I'm seeing it coming to retest here, and then it's gonna go down. Why am I saying so? When I look at 10 minutes chart, ne, I can see the market was doing this over and over again, ne? There's this line here, ne? There's this line here. Let's just put it here because I don't wanna mess up. You see, so it breaks this line here, and then it came down, then go up again and tested the line there, and then it went down, and then it came back, tested this line here. So we might expect it as well to come and break here. It can come and break here. So I'm thinking of selling, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of maybe 0.05 floats. So I'm just gonna put my stop loss right about this line here, yeah? So that if anything happens just here, because it seems as if you wanna go down. So I just wanna put my stop loss very close. Just a tight stop loss, so that even if it goes to another way, or I'm just gonna put this one as well. Alright, if it takes takes this loss, at least I'm covered. Seems as if it's leaving the tail, and then this candle is about to close. Seems as if it wanna takes me out. Pushing very aggressively. At least I have $57 here out. I'm on 847. That's something though. So you see it's testing the the triangle now, and then it took everyone who sold here out, and then now it's continue going down. You see the market, very tricky bastard, these ones. You see, leaves a long tail, like yeah guys, this is the forex we are trading, guys. So we know these people are heartless, bro. They take your money and then like nothing, you know. But at least today we are closing $1,000 today. Today we are closing on $1,000 today. Promise you that. Here we have $100. Today we are closing $1,000. And then